I want to share with you a really great tool that's in our tools book, and it's the mystery tool. And I'll tell you why I like it so much. I've been reading and writing and researching a lot about student curiosity and how powerful it is for learning. And also what sparks curiosity. Well, one of the things that we know from research that sparks curiosity is mystery. You know, we're all suckers for a good mystery, right? For a good puzzle. And that's why it's so hard to put down a mystery novel 10 pages from the end, right? Because we want to find out what happened. We actually know from brain science that when kids are curious, they're more likely to remember what they've learned. They're actually more likely to remember things they weren't even trying to learn. So to use the mystery tool can really spark student curiosity. And we actually encourage people, before you launch right into it, here's our objectives. Let's get kids interested. Let's get them feeling a sense of mystery. So here's an example right out of the book. You might say to kids, now think about what happened in the 15th century. For centuries, Europeans had never really explored much beyond their own boundaries. But then in the 15th century, there was this explosion of exploration. Well, why did that happen? Then you could give them note cards, almost like going to like an escape room, right? That would say, here's a few clues that might start to point you towards why there was this explosion of exploration, things around, society, culture, science, shipbuilding, all of that. And then now you've really got them drawn into your lesson, and they're likely to stay engaged in that same lesson. So I invite you to play around with the mystery tool in the book and share with us your feedback on what happens for learning when you start with the great mystery.